Urban Tech AR. Today we are going to unbox Dell G3 laptop, gaming one, and this laptop powered by Let's open the box and check what the content inside, and let's see all the features of this laptop. And let's open this cover. And look at this. It's the Dell G3 laptop powered by NVIDIA, 512 SSD and 2 TB hard disk. And this comes here, Dell G3 579, and the specifications are over here. Some of the specifications, the model name and country, quantity, assembled in China, October 2019, the import year, and that's it guys. Nothing else written on the box. So let's open this package and look how it looks like, and let's check it out how it looks like. Let's open this. And this comes out with this sort of out of this package, and let's check it out what the box contains. Let's grab this laptop first and keep it aside, and let's open this laptop. Holy smokes, right? This laptop is very awesome and sleek, covered with a nice plastic cover. And let's keep it aside and check it out what the box contains. And let's take it out this charger. And this charger comes with 130 watts AC adapter, 95.5 volts and 6.7 amperes, and the brand is Dell. Let's keep it aside. Nothing else in the box. Let's keep it aside and check out the laptop and the AC adapter and the specifications of the laptop. So let's get started. Unbox this laptop. Let's take the cover from the laptop and the AC adapter and check it out what is the finish and how the laptop works. Holy smokes, right? It's a matte finish of black and blue. The logo is blue color, and the back side of the laptop is having 3 grills of fans for air cooling. And here is the laptop model and input, and this is made in China. Look at guys here, and let's see this and keep it aside. Take this Type-C adapter from the cover. is the AC adapter which we get in the box, original one. Let's keep it aside and let's power on the laptop and see how it works. It has fingerprint sensor, and let's open this flip. Holy smokes, right? This is very awesome laptop, and the Dell G3 powered with NVIDIA graphics card gaming, and this weighs me around 22.7, and this is 15.6 full HD and smart byte. This model name is Dell G3 15. Let's look at that. And this is having blue backlight on the keyboard, and this is a touchpad, and this is a webcam which is VGA. And let's power it on and check the charging is there or not. Let's power it on. Holy smokes, right? This has backlight, blue backlight. Holy smokes, right? This is very awesome laptop, gaming one. And let's put the fingerprint on this, and this is the laptop which we get in the box. And let's see the specifications of this. This is powered by Intel Core i5 9300 processor and 512 SSD and 4GB NVIDIA, Windows 10 Home Graphics, Microsoft Office and Swin 2019, built-in dual speakers, dynamic 3D audio, 720p webcam is a VGA, dual fan cooling system, standard numeric backlight, 15.6 diagonally display, 1920 and 1080 pixels, IPS anti-glare, LED backlight, narrow border display, Eclipse black. And the color is black, and the additional features are USB inputs, 1x into 3.1 and one USB cable and USB 2.0, and the dimensions are product depth centimeters are 25.4, product height 2.16, product weight grams 2330, product weight 36.5 centimeter width. And the technical features are optical drive, yes, performance 2.4 GHz with turbo boost, 4.1 Intel Core i5 9th-gen processor, CPU speeds around clocks at 4.1 GHz, 2.4 GHz to 4.1 GHz, battery 3 cell, connectivity wireless, HDMI 1 cable, display features, memory 8GB of RAM and 2 TB of HDD and 512 of SSD. Let's check it out the laptop and tell you the features. What we have in this, we have 3D viewer and calendar and mails box, and this is the photos, and we have Xbox console to play, solitary, office, and this is the Microsoft Store. And let's open Spotify, Skype, 3D Paint, McAfee security, Netflix and Smart Assistant. We can command this laptop with this one, this button. Tap to Cortana. This assistant's name is Cortana, and we have tops apps is these: Google Chrome, Photos, File Explorer, Film and TV, Adobe Photoshop. Let's go into this PC and look, and this look like this, and let's cut this, and let's go to Start button and the Settings button, and there we go. This is the adjustment source, and let's cut this, open this one. What we have in this, we have the name is Ebenezer presetted one, and the documents, pictures, settings, power. Let's go to settings, and the accounts, devices, phones, apps, professionalization, update and security, privacy, and we have search, find bar, top of the, and let's open system, and let's see what the features is. A tablet, tasking, multitasking, laptop, and let's cut this, and the battery is 97%, and this comes 3 hours 32 minutes. The notifications are this one, click this all. So that's it guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Urban Tech ER. Don't forget to comment down below. Thank you and bye bye.